Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to do a light low point lunch again that's really easy to make and easy to fix. So come on along and join me and let's see what I got cooking. Okay guys, so today I'm going to make a half of a sandwich. It's going to be a chicken sandwich, and I'm going to use this chicken breast that I got at Aldi's. It's actually 0 points. And one good tip, you can scan it with the Weight Watchers app to see how many points. It does cost a monthly fee to do the app, but it's really worth it to help you track and to scan your foods. So you scan the barcode and it will tell you how many points. This is actually 0 points, and one good tip is to take a marker and write on the package how many points it is so you don't have to look at it every time. Now this is 0 points. It doesn't mean it's 0 calories. You can't just eat the whole box. But technically it's 0 points for 5 slices, so you can have 5 slices of that for 0 points. And then I'm going to put this provolone cheese for 2 points, 1 slice. And then I'm going to use this Fit and Active bread. It's 1 point for 1 slice. I got this at Aldi's. Then I'm going to put some fresh basil that I picked from my garden outside that I showed you earlier. This is just 3 pieces of fresh basil. I'll probably chop this up, put it in with my lettuce, and put it on top of my mayo. And then this mayo is actually a vegetarian mayonnaise. I'm sure you could use a light one. This one is 1 teaspoon is 1 point. And then I've got some baby spinach and arugula from Aldi's as well. And then I'm probably gonna make, I'm gonna use a ½ cup of the black bean soup and then a ½ cup of black beans. These are both 0 points. So if we count it all up, we have 2 points for the cheese, and then 1 point for the mayo, and 1 point for the bread. So that's 4 points, and everything else is 0. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty low point lunch. And we love sweet tea in the South. So I'm in Tennessee, so I'm gonna use this Milo's famous sweet tea, but it's made with Splenda, so no calorie. I don't really like to use artificial sweeteners, but I will do Splenda sometimes just to kind of taper me off of the sugar. And then I'll probably switch to Splenda after this is used up. But that's 0 points. It's no calorie sweet tea. So yeah, I just put my chicken meat on the bread, and then I'm gonna put my cheese on top of that, and then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, heat it up, and melt it. All right, you guys, I love my air fryer. I got this at Walmart. This is a bigger one. I used to have a smaller one. This one has 2 trays. It also has a basket for like French fries, but I love this thing. I'm gonna put my sandwich in there. You could also use a toaster oven. And then I'm just gonna turn it on. It says 15 minutes, but it'll only take it a couple of minutes to melt that cheese, and then I'll get it out. But if you don't have an air fryer, I probably use this more than my oven. Of course, I don't have a big family or anything, so I'm not cooking for a lot of people, but I do love this air fryer, and I do use it a lot more than probably my microwave or my oven. Okay, while my sandwich is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make the soup. This is just black bean soup and black beans. You can add salsa or some fat-free cheese or something like that, but I'm just gonna make it plain today. Just the black bean soup from Trader Joe's, but you can get this anywhere, Kroger, whatever. Okay guys, I did decide to put a little cracked the Himalayan sea salt in the grinder, and black pepper and garlic. This isn't garlic salt, it's just garlic granules. And I did add that to my soup, and then I'm gonna stir it up just to give a little extra flavor. And then I'm gonna put that in the microwave. Oh yeah, these are my new little bowls that I bought. They're so cute. I got them at Home Goods store. And I really like those. I needed some more bowls. And these are kind of like plate bowls, I guess you could say. All right, I'm gonna heat the soup up and get the sandwich out. Okay, let's see what the sandwich looks like. I'm going to not touch this with my hands because that would burn. And pull this out. Oh yeah, see how that cheese is nice and melted? And then the bread should be a little toasty. Yeah, that's gonna make a much better sandwich. All right, so I got a teaspoon of the salad dressing. I'm going to put that on top of the sandwich, on the cheese, the hot gooey melted cheese. And then I've got my spinach and arugula plus the fresh basil from my little pot that I'm growing the basil in. Put that on top. And then I'm gonna cut it in half and I'll show you the finished product. Half a sandwich and soup for just a few points. All right, be right back. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Remember, it's 4 points if you don't eat these little green bean crisps. I got the crisps at, that's hard to say, at Aldi's, and they are 3 points. So 7 points with those, 4 points without those. And here's a picture of Karma and her, I guess, Harry Potter scarf. Have a good weekend.